O dietamo, quarid faciam fortasse requiris? Nescio, sed fieri sentiet ex crucior. Catullus 85 is famous, perhaps Catullus' most famous poem, for its brevity yet universality. We've seen this theme before, how Catullus can both love Lesbia and hate her at the same time. But this poem is so amazing in how it tells, in just 2 lines, the same idea as in poem 72, but with amazing structure and planning. As usual, the first half sets up the problem, while the second half, here, line 2, resolves it as much as Catullus can. Let's get right to the poem. The problem is outlined with the first 3 words, with even an elision between them. It's an obvious paradox. Hating and loving can happen at the same time. And the order of these is important as well. Lesbia has done something that makes Catullus hate her, yet despite this, he still has feelings for her. Had Catullus written this the other way around, the loving then the hating, we wouldn't get the same idea. This order is important for the rest of the poem. Quare introduces an indirect question. That's why faciam is in the subjunctive. Requiris is the only verb here that's not in the first person singular. This poem is about Catullus and Catullus alone. The reader and addressee isn't that important, and this could be a reason why this poem isn't even addressed to anyone in particular. The second line gives us our resolution. Each verb in this line is connected to one in the first line, but in reverse order. Also, each verb in the second line is in the passive receptive form of its active verb form in the first line. How the active verb manifests internally in Catullus. So requiris, you ask, is connected to its answer, nescio, I don't know. Faciam, I do, is the active meaning of fieri, to happen. Loving is active, while feeling is passive. And hate is made more passive and tortured with ex crucior. It's this ex crucior that, as the last word, has the greatest impact. Literally, ex crucior is I am crucified, and we get the picture of the crux of a cross. Metaphorically, this is the crossing of the love and hate, which are going in opposite directions. Notice that this word, when scanned, has the exact same metrical pattern as o dietamo in the beginning of the poem. This cross also works visually, and it represents the crossing of the chiasmus. In fact, you can find quite a lot of crossing figures in this poem, from the connections of the verbs from line 1 to line 2, to the alliteration in the first line, the Q's and F's, to even the very slight reversal of the letters in the first syllable in each half line in the pentameter. It's a testament to the brilliance of Catullus and to his skill as a poet that he is able to achieve so much in this poem with just 2 lines, 8 verbs, and no nouns, save the pronoun id. Masterful. Let's read it again. O detamo, quarid faciam fortasse requiris? Nescio, sed fieri sentiet ex crucior.